Now we are going to start part 2 of the fish tale. In part 1 we have covered pages 1 to 8, and in this part we will cover pages 9 to 12. So, let us start part 2 of the fish tale. For hundreds of years fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes, and fished only a little to eat and sell. They say that, if trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea. So write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas. So, you need to write how a lot of people are catching fish in very large amount, which is leading to a decrease in the number of fish. The next topic is which boat gets how much. So in one trip the log boat brings about 20 kilograms of fish. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in this table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. So we need to look at this table and we need to answer a few questions. Let's first look at the table. It shows the type of boat, the amount of fish caught by the boat on one trip and the speed of the boat. For example, log boat brings 20 kilograms of fish in one trip and travels 4 kilometers per hour. Now, the first question is about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Let us see the solution. So we have been given the amount of fish caught in one trip, and to find the amount of fish caught in 7 trips, we have to multiply it with 7. So here in this table, you can see the solution. For a log boat, the amount of fish caught in one trip is 20 kilograms, and the amount of fish caught in 7 trips is 7 into 20 is equal to 140 kg. For long-tail boat amount of fish caught in one trip is 600 kilograms, and the amount of fish caught in 7 trips is 7 into 600 is equal to 4,200 kg. For a motorboat amount of fish caught in one trip is 800 kilograms and the amount of fish caught in 7 trips is 7 into 800 is equal to 5,600 kg. For a machine boat amount of fish caught in one trip is 6,000 kilograms, and the amount of fish caught in 7 trips is 7 into 6,000 is equal to 42,000 kg. So moving on to the next question. About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? So we are given that the motorboat can go 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So to find the distance covered in 6 hours, we have to multiply 6 with 20. So the distance covered by the motorboat in 6 hours equals 6 into 20 equals 120 kilometers. Now the next question. If the long-tail boat has to cover 60 kilometers, how long will it take? So the long tail covers 12 kilometers in 1 hour. To find the time taken to cover 60 kilometers, we have to divide 60 with 12. So time taken to cover 60 kilometers is 60 divided by 12 is equal to 5 hours. Next topic is big numbers. In class 4th Math Magic you heard of the number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. Let us try to understand this right now. Now how do you write 1,000? Yes, with 1 followed by 3 zeros. So, how are you going to write 6,000? Yes, like this. Now, how are you going to write 10,000? Exactly, with 10 followed by 3 zeros. That is like this. Now you can easily write down how to write 100,000. Exactly 100 and then 3 zeros. This is 101,000. This is also called a lakh. How many zeros are in a lakh? Yes, 5 zeros. Now, you had read that there are about 1 lakh brick kilns in our country, where bricks are made. So what other things have you heard of in lakhs? Okay, just think about the number lakh for a while. You may have heard that there are lakhs of cars on the road, or the number of people in a city is in lakhs. Now the next question is that there are about 2 lakh boats in our country and half of them are without a motor. So what is the number of boats with a motor? Write it. So there are 2 lakh boats and half of them are with motor and half are without a motor. So half of 2 lakh is 1 lakh. That means that 1 lakh boats are with a motor. So about 1/4 of the boats with a motor are big machine boats. How many thousand machine boats are there? So this time we need to try it without writing it down. So 1 lakh total boats are there with motors. So we need to find the fraction 1/4. We know that half of half is 1/4. So we need to half of 1/2. So 1/2 boats of 1 lakh is equal to 50,000. Then half of 50,000 is 25,000. So 1/4 of 1 lakh is 25,000, so 25,000 machine boats are there. Okay, now we might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. In all there are about 100 lakh fish workers who catch fish, clean and sell them, and make and repair nets and boats, etc. So we also have a name for this big number. That is 100 lakh. 100 lakh is also equal to 1 crore. So let's see how you would write 1 crore. Let us write 100 lakh first. How do you write lakh? Yes, like this with 5 zeros. Now write 100 lakh. Yes, you will add 100 in the front. Now this is 100 lakh. This is also called crore. How many zeros are there in 1 crore? Yes, 7 zeros. Next question is, where have you heard of a crore? And what was the number used for? Maybe you have heard about the TV show, Kaun Banega Crorepati. The winner gets 1 crore in this game. Also, the population of our country is in crores. Next is to try writing the number crore. So how do we write crore? Yes, we write 1 followed by 7 zeros. Now the next topic, that is, the fish market. Have you been to a fish market? If you have been, you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. So there is a scene of a fish market here in the pictures. Now this fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Minnie says, "Come here. Come here. Take the sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Gracie is shouting, "Never so cheap. Get swordfish for rupees 60 per kg. Florama sells prawns for 150 kilograms. Karuthama sells squid for rupees 50 per kg. Look, Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says this fish weighs 8 kilograms. I'll sell the whole for rupees 1200. So now we have to solve some questions regarding this information. The first question is, at what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? So Fazila is going to sell 8 kilograms fish for 1,200 rupees. In order to find the price of 1 kilogram fish, we have to divide 1,200 with 8. So the price of 1 kilogram fish is 1,200 kilograms divided by 8 is equal to 150 rupees. The next question is, Florama has sold 10 kilograms prawns today. How much money did she get for that? So Florama sells 1 kilogram prawn for rupees 150. To find the price of 10 kilograms prawns, we have to multiply 150 with 10. The price of 10 kilograms prawns is 150 into 10 is equal to 1,500 rupees. In the next question it is given that Gracie sold 6 kilograms swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kilograms of sardines did Minnie sell? So Gracie sold 6 kilograms swordfish. Gracie sells swordfish for 60 rupees per kg. So the total money earned by Gracie is 60 into 6 is equal to 360 rupees. Now the question says that Minnie has also earned 360 rupees. Now Minnie sells sardines for 40 rupees per kg and she made 360 rupees. Now to find out the quantity of sardines sold by Minnie, we need to divide 360 by 40. The kilograms of sardines sold by Minnie equals 360 divided by 40 is equal to 9 kilograms. In the fourth question, Bashir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of the money on squids and another 3/4 on prawns. A. How many kilograms of squids did he buy? B. How many kilograms of prawns did he buy? He has 100 rupees. If we represent fractions here, 1/4 is the one part here which represents the money spent on squids. 3/4 money spent on prawns is represented by 3 parts here. Now if we divide 100 rupees into 4 parts, then each part will be 25, because 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is equal to 100. So, 1/4 will be 25 rupees, and 3/4 will be 25 plus 25 plus 25 is equal to 75 rupees. Now Bashir used the 25 rupees to buy squid, and 3/4 to buy prawns. Now the price of squid is rupees 50 for 1 kg. So in 25 rupees he will get half kg squid. Now the price of prawns is 150 rupees per kg. That means in 75 rupees he will get half a kg of prawns. That's it for part 2 of the fish tale. We have covered pages 9 to the first half of 12. You can check the next video for part 3 of the chapter. You can find notes and online tests of this chapter on the EduRev app. Also, you will get such videos, notes and tests for all the chapters of Mathematics Class 5 on the EduRev app. Go ahead and subscribe for EduRev Infinity Plan now.